morning everyone, my name is Charles David Butlig.
And Vijay Carillo.
I'm presenter of Terminal Fiction. A story of games. A plane lands at an airport terminal. One of the passengers is directly identified with is a new virus. As soon as the doors open, the infection is paradise fast and people starting turning into zombie. You play as an worker, a survival trade inside the terminal. Your goal is scope the airport alive while the zombie outbreak grow around you. Game structure. Level a rival gate. It is infection begin after the plane lands. People panic, zombie appears, and you must find a weapon. Level 2. Secretary checkpoint. Height walls make the zombie harder to avoid. You'll solve small puzzle like including doors or turning on people. Level 3. Besieging area. Dark areas which broken light zombies can surprise you from behind language. Level 4. Main terminal. Large open space which mainly zombie. You can choose whatever whether to help survival or scope alone final level run away. You can reach toward an emergency help a violence a final two of zombie trains to stop you.
So in enemy, we set up 5 zombies.
First, the worker. Slow, common, predictable. Runner. Fast, aggressive, and dangerous. The mutant. Smarter in use kind of tools. Bag clinger. Grab a person bag and refuse to let it go. Then down to affect them. The boss. Larger, mutated zombie with enhanced ability. Game features. Survival gameplay. You must stay alive by fighting or avoid zombie. Weapon. Crossbow, baseball bat, knives, pistol, molotovs, and airport security button. Ammo is limited, so the player must choose wisely. In item, player can collect health pack, keycard for locking doors, and flashlight battery. In zombie, longer the infection spread, the more zombie get faster and dangerous. Safe room, quiet place where the zombie cannot enter. Used for saving, healing, or planning. Spread system, more people get infected, the more zombie get appeared. The light shout and the alarm turn on. It shows that the airport falling into chaos.
Core gameplay loop. First, explore, look around the airport to find path items and survivors. Second, survive, avoid, or fight zombies that block your way. Third, complete objectives. Example, find keyword, restore power, protect survivor, open a door. 4. Escape, move to the next safe area or level. This loop continues until you escape the airport for good.